Hi, this is Uncle Tommy, the Urban Gardener, and today we're going to talk about making birdhouses out of birdhouse gourds. I bought some seeds last year for birdhouse gourds. This is what it looks like after it's dried for a year. When you shake it, you can hear the seeds inside. That tells you it's ready to go. What I'm going to do is soak it. And we'll let it sit for about 2 hours. And what I do is I'll put a washcloth on top of it to make sure that it stays wet. And then we let it soak for about 2 hours. Now, it's been 2 hours. And what we see, and I'm going to come closer. And as you scrub this, it gets rid of all that fungus and dead skin. And you get to see the beautiful pattern of the gourd. So what I'm going to do is open up this birdhouse, and I'm going to use a drill bit that's 1 1/4 inch. Okay, now we have it open, and now what you will see are the seeds. They're incredible. I think they look like a frog. The seeds that I took out of this birdhouse gourd is going to be one of the Christmas gifts that I'm going to give to my friends this holiday season. So take care of the environment and give things that are green. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Uncle Tommy the Urban Gardener. And I hope that you will consider growing birdhouse gourds to make birdhouses to reduce the need for insecticides. Be healthy and go green. Follow these links to learn more about what we've talked about today.